Okay, hello everyone. Now I'll explain how to install Menedeley. Now you have to go to menedeley.com and click the first tab and click the create a free account link, and then you have to register yourself. So in my case, I've already registered, so it's going to sign up web page. So once it's signed up, I'll log in into the Menedeley website, and then now you open a new website and then go into Menedeley desktop and you download for Menedeley desktop 1.19.5 for Windows. Basically, you can also download the recommended for your system, because if you're using a MacBook, it would be different, and if you're using a tablet, it would be different. So download it, and then you have to wait, and then you can click next, and then install, and you have to still wait for a while. It will take some time to install the application or update, and then you can click the finish, and that's all. Your Menedeley desktop is in your computer system already, and then it will pop up like this. So you have to sign it up again using the email and also password that you use to sign up in the pin that you use to register your account in the Menedeley app. So once you have signed up, and that's all, you have your Menedeley. And it will pop up again, next, and close again. And you can install it, because mine requires an update, so I have to install it again. So that is all, and then we jump into the third step, which is Menedeley Reference Manager. You can search for this in Google, and it will pop up again, and you can click on the first one and click download now. And once you're done with downloading the reference manager, it will pop up like this, and you can click install, and you can click only for me, only you want to use, or anyone who uses the computer if you're willing to share your Menedeley with everyone. And then it will take some time to install the manager, and that's all. You are done with the manager installing, and you can click finish, and then you have to wait for a while, and here you will have your Menedeley website or your Menedeley application. So here it shows you your Menedeley. So once it shows this website, you can close it and you can open back your Menedeley application to use it for your reference list. And now let's look into how to add your PDF or your reference file into the Menedeley app. So open the app and you can go to My Applications. Under there you can create a folder. For example, I'm creating a folder called assignment, and we look into the first option, which is add file in the menu. So you can just click onto your file, or you can browse in your files in the laptop or your documents or desktop, and you can just add it. It's very simple, and that's how you do it. So there's your reference.
Okay, now I will show you guys on how to install the Menedeley web importer. First thing you have to do is to open your Google Chrome, then paste the Menedeley web importer installation link, tap enter, then scroll down, tap on the get web importer for Chrome button, the red button, wait for a second, tap on the add to Chrome button, add extension, manage shortcuts. Now the things that you have to do is to search for your article, the articles that you want to do the reference. Scroll down, this one, tap on it, then tap on the puzzle button, Menedeley web importer, my Wi-Fi is a bit slow, so maybe I have to disconnect and connect back. Okay, now tap on the add button. Then it's done. After you can see the green tick, it means that this article is successfully added to the Menedeley desktop. Tap on this all document. Tap on this circle for the Menedeley desktop to refresh. You have to wait a minute. Okay, now the article appear in the Menedeley desktop. Then you are done. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you. Okay, now the second way to insert article journals into the Menedeley desktop is through drag and drop method. The first step, you have to open your file explorer. Then you drag your first article, then you drop it into the Menedeley desktop like this. Then the second way, you can do it one time like this. For example, if you have 10 articles, you can just drag and drop it one time like this. Then you drag, then you drop. Then your 10 articles will appear in the Menedeley desktop. The third way that you can use is you can press your folder like this. You can drag it, then you drop. Then it will appear in the Menedeley desktop. Then for the fourth ways to do this is you can add the journal article manually. Tap on this add entry manually. Then you have to insert the author name. The first author, you just copy and paste the first author. Then for the second author, then for the article's title, you just need to copy, then you paste it in the Menedeley desktop. And for the journal name, paste one by one into the Menedeley desktop. For the 2019, and for the volume 9, issue 1, and pages. Paste it into the Menedeley desktop. Then click on the Save button. Then as you can see, it appears in the Menedeley desktop like this. Then you're done. The second way to insert.
Assalamualaikum, I am DAYANG QAMARINA binti AWANG JAFFRY, holder of matrix number BT10203. For the next part of the video, I am going to review the articles uploaded to my Menedeley desktop. Some aspects that I am going to review and do corrections where needed are the title, the authors, the name of the journal, year published, volume, issue, and pages. So now I am going to demonstrate how to review an article with Menedeley. Firstly, I will look into the title of the article chosen. If I find it not correct in the Menedeley details, I will just click on the title and proceed with the editing. First, for the title, you will have to follow the format showed in the journal article. After done editing the title, I will check the author's name. The format for the author's name will be put last name first, after comma will be first name, the author's first name. For the first author is correct. For second author from the article, also correct. And the rest of the authors are also correct. Next, the journal entry is not added. Therefore, I will just add the journal for this article. Just type it in. Next, for the year published, you can find it on the article itself. It is 2023 and the year stated in the Menedeley details is already correct. For volume, in the article stated volume 2, so we just edit in the Menedeley details into 2. For the issue, from the article stated issue 1, and it is correct in the Menedeley details. For pages, we don't have to scroll down to the last page of the article. You can just scroll a little bit to the second page of the article and you can find page 17 to 25 at the bottom of the article. Just type it in the Menedeley details. And there you should have a complete details of this article in the Menedeley details. Next, I am going to review article that written by Malaysian author. The authors, for Malaysian authors, the format for Menedeley details is just as the same as English author. Last name come first, after comma, first name. For author Fazila Idris, Idris should be put first as the last name, and Fazila would be the first name. Same goes to author Zahra Hassan, author Aziza Yaakob, and so on. For the journal of this article is already correct. Year published 2012, volume 59, you can retrieve this from the article, and pages is also correct. I guess that is all for my part.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NADHIRAH MATIN and I will be explaining about the lesson 5 task. So first, the first task is how to cite a reference, and what we need to do is impact of social media use of university student. And after that, you have to find the introduction heading in this article, and you can pick any sentences that you like to put in your article. For example, I choose these sentences and just copy it. We go back to the MS Word and put the sentences here, and that's how you cite a reference. But remember, you have to paraphrase every sentence that you get from an article. And how you do it is just you can use any online tool that you like. For example, I will choose Billboard because it's really easy. Just place your sentences here and tap on the paraphrase button, and it will paraphrase the sentences for you. So just copy the sentences, and we go back to the MS Words, and then just paste the sentences that already been paraphrased here. And that's how you paraphrase the sentence. And next, how to insert citation. So what you need to do is just click on the references option in this MS Word, and after that click on the insert citation option, and then go to Menedeley. So click on the article that you used just now. For example, I use this. Click on it, and then this is the sentences I typed just now. And after that, click on the side button here. Click on it. Okay, and it's cite the reference for you. So that's how you insert citation. After that, we move to the next task, which is to merge citation. So if there are more than one article that have the same context, we can merge the article in one sentence. So first, how to do it is tap on this insert citation option, and then go to Menedeley, and after that go to my library here and choose another article that related. For example, I choose uses of social media among and then after that click on cite, and that's how you merge the citation. And then we proceed to the last task, which is how to insert bibliography. So it's just easy. What you need to do is just tap on the insert the bibliography option here. Just tap on it, and then it will do the references for you. Just easy like that. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.